Meta and Microsoft reporting moments ago, both stocks moving higher right now in overtime. Let's bring in Dan Ives, Wedbush Securities Global Head of Technology Research. Dan, I'm not sure which is the bigger deal here. The beats, big Azure quarter from Microsoft, big margin quarter for Meta, or the doubling down from Zuckerberg on data center hardware at a time when there are questions about whether big tech is going to pull back. What do you think?
Yeah, I think what you heard from Zuckerberg, I mean, those are CapEx words that are going to be heard around the world and especially around the street, because it just speaks to the worry that you're going to see big tech pull back. They're doubling down. And I think you'll hear the same from Nadella on the call as well. And this is just so important and crucial. I think crucial to the whole tech trade, because that's where the spend. The AI revolution is not getting slowed down because of tariffs. And I think big tech is fueling that. And you look at these numbers. Look, I mean, this is a home run quarter across the board for big tech. Aaron Judge-like quarter, I think, what we saw from Meta as well as Microsoft.
Now, we still got to get, Amazon and some others. We're going to hear from Apple soon as well. But on these cloud players that we're hearing from so far, is there enough confidence, despite the uncertainties that even Meta referred to on the regulatory front, and, of course, on the tariff front, that you think are going to give investors some confidence that, wow, if these big spenders continue to be confident, maybe I can too?
Yeah, John, that's a great set. I think the tech trade changes after these results. Because as an investor, the thing that I've heard over the last 3-4 weeks is, are they going to pull back? Can I have confidence in numbers second half? And you look at what we're seeing from the hyperscalers, and we've talked about in our checks, in some ways, there's actually an acceleration. And you could just say more and more resilient. It just shows enterprises are going full steam ahead because you don't want to lose your spot in line. Bullish for when it comes to Google, and obviously we saw GCP. Obviously what we're seeing with Azure, the 200-bit beep, and I think many thought that they were actually going to miss. And this is obviously a huge barometer going into Amazon, where I think you're going to have strong AWS numbers tomorrow. That is, if you're a bull, you just checked every box here in terms of what you're seeing. You'll see some caution, regulatory, of course, but relative to this Category 5 storm that we've seen, software, big tech, really holding up Rock of Gibraltar-like.